Hi, I'm Tommy with Buy2WayRadios.com, and this is Radio 101. The Wouxun KG-705F FRS two-way radio has a feature called wireless channel cloning. With wireless channel cloning, you can capture the frequency of an incoming transmission, along with its CTCSS tone or DCS code, and save it to a channel. It can either be saved to the current channel or cloned to a new channel of your choice. To activate wireless channel cloning mode, you must first turn off the radio. Hold down the F3 side key and turn the radio on. The indicator light will turn red, signaling that the radio is in wireless channel cloning mode. Once the radio is in wireless channel cloning mode, you can choose to either capture and save the frequency of an incoming transmission to the current or other existing FRS channel, or create a new channel and clone the frequency information to it. To select a channel, turn the channel knob to choose a channel on the KG-705F that will either be replaced or copied with the detected frequency. If you don't want to overwrite an existing channel, select an empty channel above the first 22 FRS channels that are already pre-programmed into the radio. The 705F has 99 programmable channels. Next, press the F3 side key to scan for and detect the frequency you want to clone. The transmit and receive LED will flash red and green while it checks for the incoming signal. Press the push to talk button on the transmitting radio to send the signal. The KG-705F will scan for the frequency and emit a beep when the signal is detected. The flashing indicator will stop, and the radio will resume normal operation. The new frequency and any tone or code detected is now cloned to the channel. It is important to note that this procedure will overwrite the frequency and any CTCSS tone or DCS code previously assigned to a channel. If you don't want to overwrite an existing channel, select an empty channel. If you have any questions or want to know more about the KG-705F, please don't hesitate to give us a call, email, or hit us up in our online chat at Buy2WayRadios.com. I'm Tommy with Buy2WayRadios.com, and this is Radio 101. Class dismissed.